A wonderful good morning to HM sir, teachers and my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to thank our beloved HM sir and teachers, especially math teachers. Thank you, sirs. Our HM sir had worked a lot for me. Thank you so much, sir. I never forgot your help. Now let's start our class. This is presented by Vedashree Kasturi. So my topic is applications of trigonometry. Before going to that, we need to know what is a trigonometry. So remember that trigonometry is deals with right angle triangle and relationship between sides and angles. Okay, friends.
To get height.
Yes. Applications are used to measure the height and distance. Example, lengths are measured with meters. But how can we measure the height of a tree, height of a tower, height of a mountain? So to measure these all things, we have new method, that is applications of trigonometry. So today's my topic is applications on trigonometry. Trigonometric ratios are used to find the height of a tree, tower, water tank, width of a river, distance of a ship from lighthouse, etc. Now next, line of sight. Line of sight is nothing but basically children are used to watch the aeroplanes. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So from plane surface, it means horizontal line. Beginning of the horizontal line, they will watch the aeroplane. From eye to watching an aeroplane, the straight line is formed. That straight line is called as line of sight. I will show you. These red dotted lines are called as line of sight. Do you got, friends?
Yes, Vedashree, we got it.
From here, eye to aeroplane, this line, dotted line is called as line of sight. Here it is plane surface in horizontal line. Now next, we have two angles which are used in trigonometric ratios, that is angle of elevation and angle of depression. First we go to angle of elevation. The angle which with the line of sight makes with a horizontal line drawn away from their eyes is called angle of elevation of aeroplane from them. Angle of elevation is nothing but we are observing the aeroplane from down to upwards, and from eye it is an horizontal line. When the line of sight and horizontal line intersect, there it is formed an angle. That angle is called angle of elevation. See here, we are observing from down to top. Here we are, and it is an object aeroplane from down to upwards. The down angle is called as angle of elevation. This blue color shaded. Did you got, friends?
Yes, Vedashree, we got it.
Now next, angle of depression. If the pilot of aeroplane looks downwards at an object on the ground, then the angle between his line of sight and horizontal line drawn away from his eyes is called angle of depression. So now we saw that angle of elevation. Next, from the aeroplane, and pilot is observing the object which is at ground level. That is called angle of depression. See here, in the aeroplane and pilot is there. From aeroplane he is watching down ground, which is it object is in ground. This blue shade is called as angle of depression. Did you got it, friends?
Yes, we got it.
Remember friends, angle of elevation and angle of depression are measured with line of sight and horizontal line. Okay friends, shall I repeat once again?
Okay, Vedanta.
Angle of elevation and angle of depression are measured in the line of sight and horizontal line. Now next, trigonometric ratios. How many types of trigonometric ratios are there? Can anyone?
6. Sine, cos, tan, sec, cot.
Yes, you are right, Shivani. There are 6 types of ratios: sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, and cot. Now next, 0 degrees, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These angles are called as primary angles. Already we know the values of sine theta, cos theta. I'm moving forward. Okay, na friends?
Okay.
Now let's solve some problems related to height and distance. Now exactly we entered into applications of trigonometry. Now my question is, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the point on the ground, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degrees. Now find the height of the tower. Let AB is the tower and the angle of elevation is angle of elevation from top of the tower is ground. Here, see, it is called angle of elevation for the top of a tower. It is 30 degrees and the observer is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. It means from the foot of the tower and observer, the distance is 30 meters. Okay, friends, do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
Vedastri.
continue.
Yes.
Next, they asked to find the height of the tower. It means length of the AB. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
So for this angle C, 30 degrees, AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. So we need to find the height of the tower. So AB by BC. This is the ratio of what?
Tan. Tan theta.
Yes, you are right. It is the ratio of tan. So tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 is equals to opposite by adjacent. Here, what is the opposite side?
AB.
AB.
Adjacent side?
BC.
Now,
BC.
tan 30 is equals to AB by BC. So here, we didn't have any value of AB. So we return as it is here AB by BC is equals to the given length 30 meters. So we return 30. AB by 30 is equals to, what is tan 30?
1 by root 3. 1 by root 3.
Yes. Now this 30 is in the denominator. When it goes to RHS, it will be in the numerator. So AB is equals to 30 by root 3. Next, the length should not be in the form of rational. So we need to convert this. So now we do the rationalization. 30 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. It means 30 into root 3, how much?
30 root
By,
3.
yes, by root 3 into root 3, how much?
3.
Yes, 30 by root 30 into root 3 by 3. Here 3 ones are 3 tens are, it will be cancelled. Remained is 10 root 3 meters.
10 root 3.
Finally, we got the height of the tower. It is 10 root 3 meters. Did you understand this problem, friends? A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. See friends, this total AB is the height of the tree, but because of the storm, the off tree is broken. It is bended like this towards the ground, with making an angle 30 degrees here. Next, the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. It means the foot of the tree is position B and the top of the tree is position A downwards. This distance is 6 meters they have given. Now they asked that find the height of the tree before falling down. It means they asked to find total height of the tree. Did you understand friends what is given?
Yes, we understood well.
Now they are given angle and one side. They ask to find the height of the tree. Here BC is the non-broken part of the tree. Let's find that side. To find that side, for this angle, BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side. And again, we use here tan 30 degrees. Yes, here in the triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle and tan 30 is equals to opposite by adjacent, it is BC by AB. So tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 is equals to, they didn't give the length BC, so we return as it is, and AB length is 6 meters. Here we return 6. We got finally 1 by root 3 is equals to BC by 6. Now let us assume the length of BC is equals to x and we cross multiply it. X into root 3 is equals to 6 and root 3 sent to RHS, it will become into denominator x is equals to 6 by root 3. Did you got it friends?
Yes, we got it.
Yes, we got it.
Yes, now we have found the non-broken part of the tree. Now let's find the broken part of the tree, that is side AC. Here to find this broken part, we have two methods, that is trigonometric method and Pythagoras theorem. I will tell you both. First we go to trigonometric. So here for this angle, AB is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. Am I right? My voice is
Yes.
clear?
Yes, that is clear.
For this angle, AB is the
Your voice is very clear. You are good going. Continue.
Thank you, sir. So AB is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse side. This it means adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the trigonometry ratio? We use that adjacent by hypotenuse.
Cos.
Cos theta.
Yes, you are right. Cos 30 is equals to 6 by AC. What is the value of cos 30? It's root 3 by 2.
2 by root 3.
So cos 30 is equals to 6 by AC. 1 root 3 by 2.
Root 3.
Root 3 by 2 is equals to 6 by let's assume the length of AC is equals to x. Then again we cross multiply. X into root 3 is equals to 6 into 2, it is 12. And again, this root 3 is in multiplication. When we send opposite, it will be denominator. Then we get x is equals to 12 by root 3. Now let's do rationalization for this. 12 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Now 12 into root 3 is 12 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. Square root cancels. It remains 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. We got finally answer is 4 root 3. Okay friends?
Veda,
Yes sir. Now we
take
go
the pen.
to another method, that is Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle. Now AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Here we didn't got the value of AC, so we written as it is AC square is equals to AB, the given length 6, so 6 whole square plus, now we got here we got BC length, BC is equals to 6 by root 3. So we written 6 by root 3 whole square is equals to 6 whole square, how much?
36.
36.
Yes. 36 plus again 6 whole square 36 by root 3 whole square, it is square and root cancel, remains 3. We got 36 plus 36 by 3. Now we need to do LCM. So we got 36 into 3, 108 plus 36 by 3. Now 108 plus 36 is 144 by 3. 3 ones are 348s are. So 48 is the value of AC square, not only AC. So we need to send this square to this side. This will become root. AC is equals to under root 48. We can write 48 as 16 into 3. So under root 16 is 4. 4 and remained is root 3. Finally we got the length AC is equals to 4 root 3. Here we got BC value and AC value. So what is the total height of the tree? It means AC plus BC.
plus BC.
Yes. So we got both values. Now let's add the both values. So AC plus BC is the total height of the tree. AC value we got 4 root 3 and BC value we got 6 by root 3. Here 4 root 3 plus 6 by root 3. Now again we need to do LCM. 4 root 3 into root 3 is 4. Root 3 into root 3 how much?
3.
3.
3.
4 into 3 12
12.
plus here 6. 12 plus 6 by root 3. It is 18 by root 3. Again it is 18 by root 3. Again we need to do rationalization. 18 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 18 into root 3 is 18 root 3 by
root 3.
yes by root 3
6
into
root
root
3.
3. No, root 3 into root 3 is 3. By cancelling that we got 623 meters. This 623 meter is the total height of the tree. Did you got friends? Shall I repeat once again?
We got it, Veda.
We got it.
I'm moving forward. One person is observing the top of the palm tree at an angle of elevation 45 degrees. The angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees when you move 11 meters away from the tree. Now find the height of the tree. Here CD is the height of the palm tree and A is the position of a person who is observing the top of the palm tree. First, he observed from the position B to top of the tree with an angle of elevation 45 degrees. And then he moved away from B position, that is 11 meters. And again he is observing the top of the palm tree with 30 degrees. So here CD is the height of the palm tree. So we return H and BC length they have been given. So we return as, we assumed it is an X and AB is 11. Here angle DAC is 30 degrees and angle DBC is 45 degrees. Let the height of the palm tree CD is equals to H meters. And the length of the BC is equals to X. Now let's take a small triangle, that is BCD. In this triangle, now this CD is the height of the palm tree and BC is the distance between foot of the tree to observer. Now from this angle, the CD is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. Again here also we use tan.
Tan 45.
Yes. Tan 45 is equals to opposite by adjacent. It means CD by BC. Now next, what is the value of tan 45? Yes, it is 1 is equals to, here CD length is H and BC length is X. So 1 is equals to H by X. Now again we need to cross multiply it. Then we get H is equals to X. This is our first equation. Next, now we take big triangle, that is ADC. For this angle, for the angle A, again DC is the opposite and AC is the adjacent side. Here also we use tan. So tan 30 is equals to
1
CD
by
by
root 3.
AC. Yes, tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3 is
1 by
equals
root
to BC is H and here AC is equals to AB plus BC. It means 11 plus X. Did you got, friends?
Yes, we got it.
Yeah, we got it. Now this 11 plus X is in the denominator. When it goes to LHS, it will enter into numerator. Now H is equals to 11 plus X by root 3. Here we need to write separate values, that is H is equals to 11 by root 3 plus X by root 3. In the first equation that we got it, X is equals to H. Do you remember?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now here in the place of X we need to substitute H. So H is equals to 11 by root 3 plus H by root 3. Now here H by root 3 is in plus. When it comes to LHS, it will get minus. Yes. So H minus H by root 3 is equals to 11 by root 3. Now we need to do LCM. Then we get root 3 into h minus h by root 3. Here h is the common, so we take n as common h, and remaining is root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Do you got?
Yes, we got it.
Yes, we got it.
Here h of h into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 11 by root 3. Next, here denominators are same. Here root 3 and here root 3. So they will be get cancelled.
20 को 21 पाएंगे.
Here denominator root 3 is cancelled, and here it remains h into root 3 minus 1 is equals to 11. This root 3 minus send it into RHS. It will become denominator. Then h is equals to 11 by root 3 minus 1. Here we need to do rationalization. Okay, tell what is rationalization for 11 root 3 minus 1?
Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1.
Yes, you are right, Pranati. 11 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Yeah, 11 into root 3 plus 1 is 11 into root 3 plus 1, and root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Here a minus b and a plus b. So we get a square minus b square. Yes. Here a is root 3 and b is 1. Now a square. Root 3 whole square is square root cancel, 3 remains. And 1 square is 1. So here 3 minus 1. Next, h is equals to 11 into root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we got the height of the palm tree, that is 11 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 meters. Did you got, friends?
Yes, we got it.
got it.
Any doubts in this problem?
No, there is no doubt.
Okay, I'm moving forward.